Hi, this is Mary, Monkey Wench, Pennsylvania Bigfoot Project, and my teammate Sinead. She is playing her favorite game of I can't reach it, it's too far. Now that's about 6 foot away. Indoors, absolutely unacceptable. See, I can't reach that, it's too far. I can't reach it, it's too far. It's too far, I can't reach it. I can't reach it. Yep. I can't reach it, it's too far. We went a foot further out. I can't reach it, it's too far. You ornery son of a gun. I can't reach it. It's too far. I can't reach it. It's too far. No, I can't reach that. It's too far. Nope, that's got to be closer. I can't reach it. Okay, that's about a foot from my foot. Okay, thank you. See, it's a Kong. Just a little Kong. All right, you gonna catch? Gonna catch? And she's a purebred border collie. She's got the concentration. Go get it. Oh, what? You tired? You're tired out already. Now that's about 4 foot out. I can't reach it, it's too far. Foot closer. I can't reach it, it's too far. All right, thank you. Good girl. Look at that stare. Okay, gonna get it? Go get it. That Kong bounces pretty good. Good girl. You're so fast. But I can't reach that. It's too far. So she takes it 3 feet further out. You're so ornery. I can't reach it, it's too far. I can't reach it, it's too far. Oh, I can't reach. It's too far. I can't reach that. It's too far. I can't reach that. It's too far. It's too far. Yeah, that's about 2.5, 3 feet from me. I can't reach that. Thank you. Good girl. Yucky Kong. Okay. Go get it. What is this? Break time? Huh? This is break time. Don't lose that Kong down there. She still has the Kong in her mouth. She didn't drop it off up here. Huh? It's just break time. It's just break time. Come on. Bring it up here. Get your Kong. Go get your Kong. Bring your Kong. No, it's not that hot out. It's still, well, it's about noon, but it's really not hot. We haven't been out here for that long. She's just being ornery. Giving me her Sinead attitude. Now Sinead, that is a Celtic name, Sinead. The spelling of it is in the description. It means blessings from God. Now whenever I got her, I was at my son had died a few months previously, and and our other border collie had died back in November of 2016, and we got Sinead in May 2017, and she's got her as a puppy. She has been a blessing. She has been a blessing. Ornery as all heck. It's been a while since I've raised a border collie from a puppy. The previous one was a rescue from Indian Summers Border Collie Rescue in Minerva, Ohio. I highly recommend that you check them out on petfinders.com. I think they're on another platform also for finding pets. But last I heard, she had 20 some border collie rescues available to adopt, to become forever friends, forever family friends. I highly recommend that you check them out. They are wonderful dogs. I highly recommend border collies, but you have to, they are a very special breed. You have to keep them busy, otherwise they can get destructive, and for a little bit there, as a baby she was a little destructive, but we kept on her with training, and now she's great, follows commands, and She is also my teammate whenever I go out Bigfooting, if I'm Bigfooting alone or camping alone. She is my teammate. She keeps, I keep an eye on her and her reactions because she has had a Bigfoot encounter herself. And so now, yeah, she reacted the way that a Bigfooting dog needs to react. Unfortunately, in absolute total terror. And I don't like doing that to her, but I need her senses to alert me, and I protect her. So don't think that I'm putting her in danger. I'm not. I absolutely, because I won't put myself into that deep of a danger. I just go just to the outskirts of where I think that they are, where the Bigfoot are. And, if they're not throwing rocks at me or throwing tree limbs at me, as a warning, I keep an eye on her and her reactions. If I see her ears go back and tail tucked, and she'll huddle up next to me, then I know, okay, time to turn around. Yeah, I'm not going to put her in danger. I'm not going to let her become a Bigfoot meal. She's my teammate. She has, like I said, she has been a blessing from God whenever I needed. Did you lose your Kong? Where's your Kong? Go get your Kong. Get your Kong. Go get it. Get your Kong. She's going to lay down there in the shade. All right. Well, I think this video has gone on long enough. This is the back of my property, and I love listening to the birds. Love them. All right. Well, like, subscribe. Hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you'll get notifications of new videos. I have a few videos lined up. They're scheduled to be automatically to come out on Tuesdays and Fridays for the next couple weeks. So keep an eye out. And there's a few things going on in my life right now, so I'm taking a break from actively Bigfooting, but I'm keeping track of the group. So get on the group on Facebook. It's a great discussion group, if I may say so myself. I protect my members, from trolls. Any ridicule, they're out. But if we haven't reached it already, we're very close to 10,000 members. And so I think that kind of says something about the quality of our group. And get on there. Join the group. Answer the 2 questions that I have, whenever you hit the join button. And join us, join the discussion, be civil. Civil discussion and debate can be done without arguing and without yelling and calling names and so on. Um, that's our group, civil discussions. All right. Take care. God bless. Monkey Wench out.